Hi. If you're interested and enjoy photography, videography, or the visual arts, this channel is for you. I want to try and inspire people, help them reach for more of their artistic selves. My name's Rich Parker. I'm a photographer. I take pictures of just about anything. I want to show you how that's done. I want to show you equipment, tips, tricks, different types of photography, and the difference between landscape and night painting, because there's an awful lot of similarities. You just have to learn some basic things about your camera, your settings, your angles. I want to show you that. So please subscribe to the channel, and every week I'll bring you a new how-to on some type of photography, a new review on a product or a book by another photographer, and I'll do my best to keep it interesting and lively. My name is Rich Parker, and I approve this message. Subscribe below.